Hey everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I am here to show you another mini album to inspire you to use some of those old collections you may have in your stash to make some Halloween mini albums. Now this was from a Recollections paper pad that was really popular maybe 2 years ago. And I know that this was made from just some smaller pieces after I had made some larger mini albums. This mini album measures, it's 5 by 5. It's got about a 2¼ inch spine, and it's really simple. This is meant specifically for those Instax or small 3 by 3 photos. You can get a lot in it, but only for those three small photos. And another hint is, if you wanted to use an album like this and you have lots of pictures, you can have them printed on a 4 by 6 photo. Just use a collage app. I think one's called Pic Collage or Collage Pic, something like that. And you can make your own collages, and then you could get 2 photos on a 4 by 6. It would be 2 by no, if it's 4 by 6, it would be 4 by 3. You could get 2 photos, 4 by 3. You'd still need to cut it down a little bit, but that's a way to do it if you don't have those small Instax. So anyhow, let me take you inside. Well, before you do, this pumpkin has popped up, and this is a gold foiled die I had just because there's gold foiling on this paper, and I wanted to just accentuate some of that. And it is double matted with gold foiling on the outside. Inside, it's got room specifically for journaling. And then this is double matted, and it's got the pastel colored paper for Halloween. And there's some of those pastel pumpkins. And this has 4 by 4 photo mats or journaling cards inside. So I'm just going to take you through and show you all of the pages in here. As you can see, it's very simple, but you can get a lot of photos in here. And once you add the photos, then they become the decoration of this mini album. That's why you don't need a lot of decorating sometimes, because your photos should take center stage. These little pieces do have the gold foiling mat inside just to add a little pizzazz to the pages. There's our pumpkin friends. There's the larger pumpkin, which makes a nice page. I mean, you can see these are a bunch of different leaves. So we've got a gold one and some different shapes. So it doesn't necessarily have to be a Halloween mini album. It really could be fall. There's nothing Halloween. There's no carved pumpkins. It just has pumpkins. And there is that. Here is our final page. And that is the back. So this is 3 1/4 by 3. I'm sorry, 3 3/4 by 3 3/4. So that would fit on there perfectly. Or you could even get a bigger photo than that. So that is what I have for you for the mini album for today's inspiration. If you have this paper pad, here is something you could do with it. Hopefully you are able to find some ideas on things to do with your stash. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.